chefs and housewives who remain unaware about the quality of the food they serve to their customers or family members. This is due to the lacking of advancement in cooking technology in our country. So our innovative solution is we create the self-stirring pot with pressurized chamber cooker. Customers are looking for cooking appliances that are easy to use, lightweight and effective in the kitchen. So our target market is the housewife, chefs, or restaurants and individuals who value convenience and efficiency in their kitchen. So our product difference is there is no need for users to constantly stir their food during cooking. When compared to the traditional pots or basic pressure cooker, our product has so many benefits that are related to its cost. Unlike other products that require so many stirring and lack of pressure of control. So our product combines automation, save time, and energy efficiency and safety without increasing the price point. A housewife who is busy with multiple tasks and easily forget to stir their food might lead to burning and uneven cooking. So our product can solve the problem by reducing users' effort and risk, making it a more cost-effective than basic pressure cooker cost. Offering better benefits at lower total cost of use.
For component of need, what essential need will our product meet for the customer? Time management for multitasking in the kitchen. Our self-stirring cooker allows you to multitask with confidence by eliminating the needs of constant manual stirring. Whether you're preparing sauces, porridge, or even stew that typically need full attention, this cooker keeps things moving so you can focus on other tasks without worrying about burning or uneven texture. The built-in stir ensures that the ingredients are constantly moving, preventing separation or settling, and the closed design keeps the heat and moisture locked in, ensure even temperature distribution during cooking. Moreover, our product also ensures safety during high-pressure cooking. This is because the self-stirring cooker uses rotational motion to keep food moving continuously. This motion ensures heat from the bottom to transfer upward, creating thermal equilibrium and prevent burning. This stir rotations is an application of angular motion driven by torque, and it operates safely with an enclosed system. Component of need. Who will need our product specifically, you might ask? For example, a busy working adult, people with limited times to cook after work, people who work long hours and wanted safe time cooking, then often multitask between taking care of the child and preparing meal. In the other hand, there's also elderly or people with limited mobility, usually users who may have difficult standing for too long or stirring by hands. There are constant forgetfulness and limited sense of awareness. Not only that, small business owner and also home-based seller can also use our product. For example, for small-scale cooking that needed consistency like jam, curry, pastes, or sauces. The hands-free cooking that will be more efficient while the cooker stirs and cooks, and the seller can focus on other preparation tasks like packaging or customer service.
To experience this problem and when? So the first one is overpressure in pressure cooker. This occurs when the internal pressure exceeds the usual limit. This usually happens when a safety valve is blocked. According to Galileu's law, as the temperature increases, the pressure increases. Hence, if the pressure is too high, it can cause an explosion. The second one is gasket easily damaged when exposed to heat. This occurs every time the pressure cooker heats up and cools down. The extension of gasket will making it loose or deform. Hence, it allows the steam to escape, which prevents the pressure from building up. And the last one is uneven cooking of food. This problem happens when heat and steam are not distributed properly. This usually happens when the food are too tight in the cooker and not filling enough water to create steam. This causes poor heat transfer to the food. How big is the problem for users or customers? So the first one is safety concern. Pressure cooker operate under high pressure causes users to feel afraid or anxious to use it. There are several concerns such as risk of an explosion and burn injuries from steam when opening the lid. Other than that, it also causes unwanted costs. If food is not cooked properly, for example, if it's burned undercooked or overcooked, users may need to throw it away and start again. This wastes both money and food. Furthermore, it also brings a high maintenance to the users or customers. This is because pressure cooker need to be frequent checking every 2 months, especially when the parts like gasket, safety valve or lid component, they need to do cleaning and replacement every 2 months. For many users, this becomes a burden, especially in homes where the cooker is used often, but users are not trained or confident in maintaining it.
Need is not met. Customers or users will lose interest when users face repeated problems such as like burnt food or cleaning difficulty. They may feel frustrated and stop using the pressure cooker. Some might even leave bad reviews or want others to not buy it. This causes users to lose trust in the product and the company might lose customers. And another one is increased time and effort. Other than taking longer time in doing preparation, users customers also need to take more time in cooking, it leading to stress, and instead of saving time, it actually makes cooking more harder.
So next, I will explain you guys about the solution for the problem. When the problem is overpressure in the pressure cooker, we need to install a primary pressure release valve and a secondary backup valve. It will automatically release an excess pressure once it exceeds the set threshold. Secondly, we need to make a pressure limiting lid design, which is include the spring-loaded mechanism and slightly lift the lid when all of the other systems are filled. The second problem is when a gasket are easily damaged when exposed to the heat. So at this point, we need to use a higher temperature silicone gasket. So we need to upgrade to a platinum truss silicone gasket or PTFE Teflon gasket, which releases a higher temperature up to 300 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius. Solution for the uneven cooking of food, we need to ensure the stirring paddle reaches the bottom and the corner of the pot. Other than that, we need to use a variable speed based on cooking pace.
Assalamualaikum everyone. We will continue about what makes our product different. Our product unique approach lies in the integration of two preset thermal, which is thermal insulation and rotational motion, into a single compact appliance. Unlike traditional cooker or standalone steering cooker, even heat steering cooker provide a unique innovation, which is sealed thermal system in one efficiency and automatic steering mechanism. Sealed thermal system is our cooker is engineered with two-layer insulation and a sealed lid, creating a semi-closed thermal environment. This retains heat efficiently, shorten cooking time, and reduce energy waste. 2-in-1 efficiency. By combining steering and heating in one device, users save time, reduce effort, and improve food quality. A unique value not commonly found in other steering mechanism. Instead of relying on manual effort, our system uses rotational motion via a built-in motor to keep food continuously stirred. This prevents burning, sticking, and uneven cooking, especially in thick, slow cooked dishes.
Big picture, what is our solution? Broadly speaking, the even heat steering cooker is a smart, user-friendly cooking device designed by simplifying the cooking process by The first one is applying rotational motion to automatically steer the content, eliminating the need for constant manual effort. And the second one is using thermal physics principle to trap and evenly distribute the heat, ensuring faster and more consistent cooking. The third one is serving a wide range of users, from busy families to commercial kitchen and who needs efficient, hands-free and reliable cooking support. This product directly addresses common frustration like food burning, overcooking and time wasting during a meal prep. It replaces outdated cookers with a modern, intelligent system that adapts to the user's need while using proven scientific principle. In short, it's a physics-powered kitchen revolution designed for real-life cooking problem. Okay, that's all.
We will continue with what technical challenge must be addressed to make the cooker work effectively. To turn this smart concept into a fully working product, we must overcome several technical engineering challenges, especially in integrating rotational and thermal motion within a compact system, such as rotational motion steering system issue, thermal motion, heat distribution issues, and smart control system issue. Rotational motion steering system issue have three issues need to be focused at, such as motor design and placement, durability of steering mechanism, and fixed axis mechanic. Design and placement. The motor must be powerful enough to stir thick mixture like curry or porridge without overheating. It must also be compact and quiet and not interfere with the pot heat insulation. Durability of steering mechanism. The rotating steerer must withstand high temperature, viscous liquid, and long usage without wearing down. Material must be food safe, heat resistant, and easy to detach for cleaning. Third, axis mechanic. The rotation must stay smooth and centered on x-axis under resistance, such as lumps or dense food. Need a stabilizing base to ensure balance and uniform motion. Motion issue, heat distribution issue. We need to cover insulation and heat retention, even heat flow, and also energy efficiency. Insulation and heat retention. The pot must retain heat effectively without becoming too hot on the outside to prevent burns. Choosing the right thermal insulation material is crucial for performance and safety. Burn heat flow. The internal structure must know hotspot or cold zone. Heat must spread evenly across all areas of the pot. May require a heat diffusion layer at the bottom or side of the pot. Energy efficiency must balance power consumption and heat output. Too much heat causes burning, too little slow cooking. Ensuring it performs well on low to medium heat setting is a challenge for sustainability.
Smart control system issues. There are two issues, which is sensor integration and user interface. For the sensor integration, adding temperature or motion sensors for steering speed requires careful design to avoid electrical failure in hot or wet environment. For the user interface, a simple, safe and waterproof touch panel or mobile control app would be ideal, but need cost-effective development. That's all from us. Thank you and bye-bye.